Hello everyone. Welcome to 7. James Webb Telescope set to arrive at its final destination, L2. Webb successfully launched on an Ariane 5 rocket on December 25, 2021. Next, it successfully deployed its solar array to stop draining battery power. It then successfully completed 2 mid-course correction burns. Then, Webb released its antenna. It lowered the forward and aft pallet structures that support the sunshield. On January 4, it completed the deployment and tensioning of all 5 layers of the sunshield. On January 5, 2022, Webb's team deployed the secondary mirror. On January 7, Webb unfolded the first of 2 primary mirror wings. On January 8, it unfolded the second mirror wing, concluding major deployments. The telescope's last big step is to perform a mid-course correction burn to reach its final destination. That will happen on Monday, January 24, at 19 UTC. Ground teams will fire the thrusters so that Webb can reach its new home in space, a point in the Earth-Sun system called Lagrange Point 2, or L2. The James Webb Space Telescope will not be in orbit around the Earth, like the Hubble Space Telescope is. It will actually orbit the Sun, 1.5 million kilometers away from the Earth at what is called the second Lagrange point or L2. What is special about this orbit is that it lets the telescope stay in line with the Earth as it moves around the Sun. This allows a satellite's large sunshield to protect the telescope from the light and heat of the Sun and Earth and Moon. Once Webb is safely at L2, the team will work on telescope alignment, with first images from the telescope due to arrive this summer. Thank you for watching.